It's actually pretty easy to get ahead of 99% of wholesalers because most wholesalers don't know how to structure their business for execution. I've spent the last 13 years inside the real estate trenches, closing hundreds of deals, building systems, and mastering what actually moves the needle. I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps you can use to close more deals than 99% of investors, even if you're starting from zero. So let's dive in. Step number 1, your calendar for production. Here's the problem. When your day's unstructured, every task becomes a decision, and every decision drains your energy. That's why you wake up motivated by 9 a.m., you're scrolling on Instagram, wondering where your focus went. Sound familiar? The top 1% don't rely on motivation. They rely on pre-decided time blocks. Here's my system. First, block your non-negotiables. Sleep, meals, workout, family time, any appointments, whatever must happen every day. Put it on your calendar first. Why? Because if you don't protect your energy, you'll burn out and quit. Second, identify production time. Look at what's left after your non-negotiables. That's your real available work time. For most people, it's 3 to 5 focused hours per day. Third, assign specific tasks to specific blocks. Monday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., cold calling. Tuesday, 2 to 4 p.m., buyer outreach. Wednesday morning, systems checks. Make it the same every week so your brain doesn't have to decide. Here's my rule. If it's not on your calendar, it's not a priority of your business, period. And here's the pro move most people miss. Schedule daily reset. I call it napitation. 20 minutes after lunch where I reset my energy. No phone, no distractions, just breathe and recharge. This one thing doubled my afternoon productivity. The nap is optional. So right now, pause this video and ask yourself, what's one calendar block I'm missing? Is it protected focus time? Is it daily reset? Whatever it is, fix it this week. And by the way, in case you didn't know, I'm doing a 2-day live event where I'm teaching how to close high profit deals consistently in any market. We're going to spend way more time together, diving deeper into marketing and sales. If you want in, go to pwalive.com and grab your seat. Spots are limited. Step number 2, your process audit. Your calendar means nothing if your process is broken. Most wholesalers have gaps in their process, places where deals stall, where they hesitate, where they resist. And those gaps are what's costing you deals. Here's how you find them. Map out your entire sales process from start to finish. List, polling, skip tracing, cold calling, appointments, offer, contract, dispo, close. Write it all out. Then ask yourself these questions. Where do deals stall the most? Where do I procrastinate or even avoid taking action? Where do I feel uncertain about what to do next? That's your gap. And here's the key. The problem isn't the step itself, it's the space between steps. Maybe you're great at getting sellers on the phone, but you freeze when it's time to set the appointment. Or maybe you get contracts signed, but you kind of hesitate to reach out to buyers. Whatever it is, you need to shorten that gap. Here's how. Pick one gap this week, just one, and create a simple system to eliminate the hesitation. Need a transition line for setting appointments? Write one. Need a buyer outreach template? Create one. Need a CRM automation for follow-ups? Set it up. The goal isn't perfection, it's speed. The faster you move from step to step, the more deals you close. Simple as that. Now, drop a comment below and tell me what's one gap you're fixing this week. I want to see what you're working on. This way I can help you better. Step number 3, accountability system. This is by far the most important one. Here's the truth. You can have the perfect calendar and a dialed in process, but if nobody's watching, you'll still skip days. That's just human nature. So you need 2 types of accountability, external and internal. External accountability is simple. Get a partner or join a group. You know, Someone who's going to ask you every day, did you do what you said you would do? No judgment, just accountability. If you're in my mastermind, that's what our 3 weekly calls are for. If you're not, find one person, a wholesaling buddy, a mentor, anyone, and commit to a daily check-in. Internal accountability is your KPI tracker. Track your activity, not just your results. How many calls did you make? How many appointments did you set? How many offers did you submit? Why? Because results are a lagging indicator. You might not close a deal this week, but if you made 50 calls and set 3 appointments, you're winning. The deals will come. And here's the move most people miss. Call out your own excuses. When you catch yourself saying, I'll do it tomorrow, or I'm waiting on the seller to call back, stop, recognize it, and ask, am I avoiding this because it's hard or because it's actually not important? Most of the time, it's avoidance. And the moment you own that, you can actually fix it. So here's your action item. Find one form of accountability this week. Partner, group, or tracker. Pick one and commit. Most wholesaling gurus teach you tactics. They give you scripts, lead sources, texting templates, and they tell you to just take massive action. And then when it doesn't work, they blame you. You're not hungry enough. You're not making enough calls. You need to work harder. And that's BS. I have a student that when he started, he had a 6-person team and he was doing every marketing list and every system. He was doing flips, listings, and anything else he could get his hands on. Yet he was still going broke every month. He was even trying to pick up rentals because we all know passive income is the only way. When he hired me, we shut it all down and focused on these 3 simple things. His first full year in this program, he closed the year at nearly $1 million. And it's him and a part-time VA pulling data. Here's what nobody tells you. Wholesaling isn't hard because the market or the competition. It's hard because most people are running a business with no structure. And structure is what separates the 1% from everyone else stuck in the grind. This doesn't have to be hard, but it does have to be intentional. So if you're taking nothing else from this video, take this. Stop chasing the next tactic. Build the structure first, because once you have that, everything else gets easier. So let's recap the whole thing. Step 1, your calendar for production makes execution automatic. Step 2, your process audit shortens the gap and speeds up your deals. Step 3, your accountability system forces consistency even when motivation dies. These 3 steps are what separate the top 1% from everyone else grinding and getting nowhere. And the best part, you can implement all 3 this week. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I want to go deeper, I want to learn how to actually close high profit deals consistently in any market, then join me for a 2-day live virtual event where we're going to dive deep into marketing and sales. We're talking about how to find the right deals, how to negotiate bigger margins, and how to build a system that works whether the market is hot or cold. This isn't a webinar where I talk to you for 2 hours a day. This is a working session. You show up, we go deep together, and you leave with the exact strategies I've used to close 400 plus wholesale deals. Spots are limited because I want to keep it small so I can actually help you. If you want in, go to pwalive.com and grab your seat before they're gone. Either way, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment telling me which step you're implementing first, and I'll see you on the next one.